So, you want to fly, huh? Well, it ain't gonna be easy, and it ain't gonna happen overnight either. You see, flying takes 3 things. Hard work, perseverance, and hard work.
You said hard work twice.
That's because it takes twice as much work as perseverance.
Codswallop!
Now, the most important thing is we have to work as a team. Which means you do everything I tell you. Right, let's rock and roll!
Chickens are
petting. And left 2, 3, and right 2, 3, and stop right there. Oh, yeah, down. Yeah, make little circles. That's it. Oh, faster. Oh, yes, perfect. Oh, this spot.
I thought you were going to teach us how to fly.
That's what I'm doing.
Isn't there usually some flapping involved?
Hey, do I tell you how to lay eggs? Relax. We're making progress.
Really? I can't help feeling we're going round in circles.
What the? Hey, cut it out. You're making me dizzy. I think they're ready to fly now.
Good, because they certainly can't walk anymore.
Up and at 'em, gals. Let's flap.
Let's fetch her. Let's see if old Attila the hen has come to her senses.
It's raining hen!
What's this caper, love?
We're flying!
Obviously. Flipping hell. Look at this fetch.
They're gonna kill themselves. Wanna watch?
Yeah, all right. Right, careful of those eggs. Sunny side up.
Now they're over easy.
Definitely scramble. Go! Whole tree in motion.
Birds of a feather flop together.